Hello everyone, my name is Solomon Yao once again, and today I want to talk about uh, not new but a crypto trading bot, okay, that was launched about a year ago, and it uses artificial intelligence to trade for you on your crypto exchange, and then it makes profit for you in your wallet, directly into your wallet. Okay, so it's called Tafabot. Okay, you can check it out. I'll send you the link. You can check the link in my bio, and when you click on the link, you can just register, and then you can download the app. So I'm just going to talk about it briefly. Tafabot uses artificial intelligence. Okay, it's a trading bot. It's a robot. Okay, that trades for you on a crypto exchange. I trade on Binance. Okay, so let me open the bot for you. Okay, let me open the bot. Um, okay, so this is the bot. Okay, this is Tafabot, and uh, you can see when I click on connect. Let me click on connect to an exchange. Okay, futures. Okay, you can trade on both spot and futures, but I'm trading on futures. Okay, so on futures you can see um, I'm connected to Binance. Okay, Binance. Okay, so what happens here is that you connect your um, Tafabot with your Binance wallet, okay, or Binance exchange via API. Okay, so the two systems can communicate with each other, and then um, when you connect with your API, okay, the two systems are connected. The Tafabot and the Binance app is connected, and then it trades. The robot trades for you on the futures, okay, trading, and then when it makes profit, the profit is sent to your wallet on Binance. Okay, so with this, your money is in your wallet. Your money is not on the robot. The robot just connects to your wallet and then trades with your capital, and then makes a profit, and then sends the profits. The profits are sent to your wallet. Okay, so um, on Tafabot you can copy bots by going to mirror trading. Okay, so there are mirror traders, okay, on Tafabot. Okay, my most favorite mirror trader is Eric, so I've copied Eric's bot. Eric has made about 556% profits. Okay, and these are his bots. Okay, so you just copy any of these bots and then it trades for you. I've copied some of his bots, about 6 of his bots, and then these bots are trading for me. So you can see Eric's bots, and when I go to when I go back, you can see I have Eric's bots here, 6 bots. The first bot made a profit of $7.61. The second bot made about $4.77. The third bot made about $3.51. The fourth bot made about $3.94. Okay, and the fifth bot made about $3.97, and the sixth bot made about 62 cents, and I made a total profit of um, $28.77, just less than 2 weeks. Okay, and the capital that I use, okay, let me show you the capital I started with. My balance was $117. That's what I used to trade. Okay, that was the capital I started with, and so far it has made a profit of $28.77. So added to the once $1.17, I now have $146. Okay, So it has made a profit, and all my profit are sent into my Binance. So let me go to Binance on my phone. Okay, let me go to Binance on my phone. Okay, so you can see this is my Binance. Okay, and I have 145.90 as my total balance. So it means my capital plus my profit has been added, and then it is in my balance. And you can see when I go to my history, you can see this is the profits. The profit that I made are all sent to me on Binance. Okay, these are my profits on Binance. Okay, it's sent to my Binance. So every profit that I made, the bot just trades for me on Binance, and then it's sent to my wallet. So you can see these are the current trades that the bot is making. Okay, so whenever the bot makes a profit, it closes the trade and then it sends the profit into your wallet. Okay, so I'm trading on futures, and yeah, so that is it. So you connect, what you do is you connect your, let me go to the API. Okay, you go to Binance and then you go to API management, and then when you click on API management, it's loading. When you open API management, you just create an API. Okay, you create an API. Okay, I don't want to show my API key, okay, because hackers can take advantage of it. So you create API, and then you connect your API with the Binance API with Tafabot, and then you connect, and then you start trading, or you copy your bots and then you start trading. So yeah, so with this, your money is safe in your wallet, because I'm tired of scamming platforms where you deposit your money and then they give you obligation that they are going to make profit for you, and then before you realize the platform is closed down, and then you lose your money. Okay, but over here you can't lose your money, because your money is in your Binance wallet. Okay, Binance is one of the most secured crypto exchange, okay, where you keep your money, and then you just connect to the bot, and then the bot starts making profit for you. Okay, so yeah, so that's how it works. And with this one, the more your capital, the higher your capital, the more robots that can trade for you, and the more robots that trade for you, the more in a profit that you make. Okay, so yeah, this account I just used $117 for this account, and so far I've made $28 in less than 2 weeks. So it's very powerful platform. Okay, Tafabot is a great tool. Okay, or it's one of the great robots that can trade for you on Binance. Okay, all you have to do is you connect your you connect your bot to Binance, okay, via API, and then it starts trading for you. So you can see I have about 5 trades going on now. So the moment it makes profit, it will close the trade and then take the profit and send it to my wallet. So yeah, so it doesn't make a loss. The robot never makes a loss. It always makes a profit. It never makes a loss. So your funds too are safe on Binance. Okay, so yeah, so this is it. Just take advantage of Tafabot. The link is in my bio. Okay, so when you click on the link in my bio, you can just register. Okay, you can just register, and then you download the app, and then you connect it to Binance, and then you start trading, and then you start making profits. So this is Tafabot. You can just go to the website, okay, read more about it, okay, do more research about it. You can go to the YouTube channel. This is the YouTube channel. Okay, this is the YouTube channel. The CEO is Samuel Benedict. Okay, he's the CEO of Tafabot, and you can learn more on their YouTube channel. And then yeah, so advise yourself and then jump on. I've never regretted being on Tafabot because I'm making profit. Okay, this is one of my wallets that I'll show to you. Okay, so um, just take advantage of it. Click on the link on my bio. Okay, click on the link on my bio and register and connect your add some funds to your Binance and then start trading. Okay, it uses artificial intelligence. This robot uses artificial intelligence to trade for you, and it never makes losses. Okay, it always makes profit for you. So just take advantage of it, and I think you never regret making that decision. Okay, so this is it. So just click on the link on my bio and get going.